Hello my darlings, welcome back to another video. So I have finally pulled my finger out of my backside and gotten this video voiced over for you. This was a set I'd done, gosh, probably 3 weeks ago now. So it's just a really simple ombre set today, but absolutely stunning. So I've moved as much as I can of my client's previous design, which was just black, and she decided she wanted these colours. So these are a couple of the newer CJP colours. So this is Opium Noir, and I'm just doing a full nail of this on this thumb. Oh, this colour is so bloody stunning, it's ridiculous. Like, I absolutely just loved this set so much when I done them. So yeah, that's Opium Noir, and it just, on camera it kind of looks the same as like Sapphire, but in person it's got this really stunning sort of purple undertone to it. It's really stunning, like I keep saying. Excuse my crusty fingers. So on this nail, this is a full nail of the amazing Elderberry. So these are both strength powders, so I don't need to cap, so I'm just doing the whole nail in them. So I've placed my bead on, tucked it carefully into that cuticle area, because as you know, dark colours can be a pig. So as you can see, my bead was a little bit too big, so I'm just cutting the end of that off with the tip of my brush. Oh, I really miss chatting to you guys actually. It's just, everything's just been hectic, like, been mental. So yeah, I've got, I think I've got like another couple of videos recorded that need voiceover in as well. And then I'll be getting on to some new stuff. So I'm just doing an ombre on these two middle fingers. So I'm coming in at the cuticle on this one with that Opium Noir, and I'm doing it really thin, making it nice and neat around the cuticle, and then I'm really blending that out. Just adding a bit there. And then popped my bead on and blending that bead back into that Opium Noir. So that's Elderberry. And I just, they look absolutely incredible together. Like, so beautiful. And then I'm going to do another ombre on this one, and then I think the pinky is just a full nail of Opium Noir. I feel ever so posh saying that. Opium Noir. Noir. I don't know why. And then back on that free edge with Elderberry. And then I'm just pressing that into place. I don't want to take too much of the excess off because I still want that coverage, so I'm just slightly tickling it and then pushing it back down the nail. I'm using my big boy brush for this set. I always use him now unless I'm doing either really ridiculously small nails like my own, or geometric designs where I need a bit more control. I've just done a set actually recorded tonight where you'll see me switching between the two brushes. Just popping another bead on there to make sure I've got a nice enough apex. And then once I'm happy with that, I'll just come in and cap those two ombre nails because I don't want to file away that blend that I just created. So same filing routine, sidewalls first, and just straighten off that free edge, and I'll come in around the cuticle, and then up and over down the other side of the nail, and then do that in reverse. And again, as always, when you're filing, always check your angles from side to side, from the client's view, down the barrel of the nail, and that way you should get a nice smooth even finish. I think these have got to be one of the favourite sets of my nails that I've done. I don't know, the simplicity about them, the colours together, I just think they're super stunning. Like, I absolutely love them. Again, so my wonderful man edited this for me, so I don't know how much filing he's left in for you. So it's like a surprise for both of us, first time we see. He edits all of my videos, bless him. I see my lady's bling has made my camera go blurry. Find it easy with the darker colours as well to dust off a lot as you're filing, because then you can really see where you've been with the file. And I just want to say that I'm super happy for my nail friend Stacy Ward that she's had her surgery now and she's feeling better. So, love you, girlfriend. And yeah, hope we'll be seeing a lot more from her now that she's feeling better. If you guys don't follow her yet, you should hop over to her YouTube channel, Stacy Ward Nail Artist. In my description box I'll leave a link in there for you. She's such a doll. So here I'm just going in, just cleaning up underneath a little bit. Get rid of those little frilly bits. Oh. Oh, he's done me a slow-mo, bless his heart. There we go. We've got a super slow-mo of me doing Opium Noir. It is absolutely stunning. So we're coming to the end now. Thank you so much for joining me again, my loves. I really super appreciate it, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and if you haven't already subscribed, I would really love it if you would, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.